How to put your logo on your Facebook Lives, yay. All right, you're gonna just Google Facebook Frame Studio, and then you're going to click the button, create a frame. Pretty simple. Takes you to another site where you need to scroll down to the bottom. It's just giving you some other options, and click create a frame once again. From here, you're going to select the art that you want to add. So for me, it was just my logo for my lives. So it should be in PNG or PNG format. So make sure that your logo or your graphic or artwork is. Once you get it there, you want to resize it. So I put it in the upper right-hand corner so that I wouldn't have it in the way of my comments. You can preview it, how it'll look on your phone, how it'll look on your profile pic, horizontal or vertical. Click next. Next, you want to choose yourself as the owner. This is like if you have a business page or whatever, you just want to choose you as the owner, and then you can name it. So I have multiple colors of my logo for my lives. You can add keywords if you want to, whatever. There's the preview. Then you want to publish it. Now it's thinking. Sometimes it takes a couple times to think. And then, yay, you're done. You can see the little preview on the video right there. And now you are a professional. Thanks for watching.